So hi everyone, today I would like to present you our Liposurg device. I will assemble it and then explain you how it works. So first we disassemble the handle for the handpiece. This here, just leave it here. Take the motor and attach the handpiece like this. Insert the whole motor and the handpiece into the handle and close it properly like this. Seal it with the iron plug like this. On the other side, attach the connector for the cannula. And the cannula at the end. Okay, and the suction tube to the handle. It's tight, so it's better sealed. On the other side we have the exit for the suction unit, and now we can attach the cable. The device automatically recognizes the handpiece. We have an infiltration system as well. We just press the button here, and as the flow rate goes this way, we just attach it as it's presented with the arrow. This is then attached to the cannula, while here goes the suction unit. Now here we can regulate the strokes. So the number of strokes is here. If as lipo it goes up to 5,000 strokes, and while pressing the pedal, if it comes closer, this should activate the strokes on the handpiece. So what is good here is that we do not perform manual strokes with the hand, avoiding damaging the tissue, but all the movements are done inside the handle, like this way, or then increasing the value up to 5,000. It goes like this, and this.